Hello guys, I am back welcoming you all with this, and today I will be presenting you the brand new Mercedes AMG GLE63s, and not a normal one. As you see here we have the Coupe. I am right now at the home of driving performance in Affalterbach, the AMG headquarters, where I will be doing a quick walk around, showing you all the exterior features of this GLE63s Coupe. Afterwards, jump inside to show you the gorgeous interior. And last but not least, finish it all off with a resume. So let me talk about this car in specific. This is the Lost AMG. This car used to be presented on the Geneva Motor Show, the 63S Coupe, but since Geneva got cancelled, most of you guys didn't know about this. Here we have the 63 version of the Coupe. I also drove the 53 in brilliant blue. I'm going to show you pictures and videos of that, which looked very nice, but this one is a top notch you can get for the GLE and the Coupe version of this brutal car. We have a V8 biturbo AMG engine, pushing it to 612 brake horsepower. Also, for the first time, GLE63, we have the starter generator supporting the engine with 22 brake horsepower. And all in all, it does 0 to 100 in less than 3.4 seconds. So less talking, let me just start with the walk around to show you the exterior, starting with the front of this beautiful GLE63s. As you know, the front is almost like exactly the same when talking about the coupe and SUV. There's nothing different to the SUV model, it's just about the rear. So let's start with the headlights of this GLE63s. As you see, we have the GLE specific headlights. These are the multi-beam LEDs, the best ones you can get for this car, looking very nice and elegant still, and yet very aggressive, in addition with this brutal and big GLE grille. As you see, we have 14 vertical stripes, back then called Panamericana grille. Yes, as you can see, the star is looking a little bit bigger because we have an additional ring, a chrome ring surrounding the 3D star emblem, which makes the star look even bigger. It's basically same size, and yes, it's huge. We have the 3D star emblem here. Behind that we have a lot of assistant packages hidden, such as the Distronic and else. Then we have the Mercedes-Benz emblem on the bonnet. We have some sporty power domes on the bonnet as well, looking very nice, in addition with the diamond white exterior paint. Continuing with the front bumper, as you see, we have the jetwing design front, which makes the 63 different than the 53. Also something very essential on the 63, we have the intakes, which we don't have for the 53. We have just plastic covers for the 53. Something I really don't like about the 63 and 53 are these plastic parts. I'm really not a fan of. Most of you people would say yes, it adds a more SUV characteristics to this car, but not so. I'm not convinced and not keen about plastic on AMG cars. What do you guys think? And since we have the night package, as you see, we have the exterior paint plus piano black surroundings on. As you also see, we have the front skirt finished in piano black as well, since we have the night package. If not, that will be finished in chrome. Again, plastic, not a big fan. Intakes on the right hand side, all are real. As you can see, we have real intakes here, which we don't have with the 53 model. Now let's focus on the side of this beautiful GLE63s Coupe, and we will be instantly seeing the coupe silhouette of this beautiful car. The wheelbase of the SUV and coupe is not the same. The coupe is 6 centimeters shorter, which makes it more agile and sportier while driving. I am personally a more coupe fan. What do you guys think? Would you rather go for the SUV or coupe model if you go for the GLE, or especially the GLE63s? Now, let's start and focus with the rims of this beautiful GLE63s. Here we have the multi-spoke AMG rims, which we have on literally every AMG, but it looks so nice, in addition with the carbon ceramic brakes in golden finish. Love these, honestly. 22 inches here. We have the AMG engraved over there, looking very nice. Then continuing the side, we have the V8 biturbo badge for Matic Plus. The Plus is finished in red. Nice little detail over here as well. Then we have the windows, as you see, is tinted. We have the frames all finished in black, since we have the night package. And even though we have the night package, the door handles are finished in chrome, since we have the keyless go package. And now we have the rear wheels, again multi-spoke, 22 inches, carbon ceramic brakes, the center lock Mercedes-Benz star finished in chrome, AMG engraved. Looking very nice. Now to the essential part of the coupe, and my favorite part. Just look at this. Wow. Nice. I love this, especially with the 63 look. Back then, when they first revealed the GLE Coupe, I was not a big fan, but after seeing the GLE63s Coupe, I really started to like it, and now huge fanboy of the coupe model, looking very nice and sporty. Let's start with the taillights of this beautiful model. As you see, we have the GLE Coupe taillights looking very slim and sharp, great design, very sporty. Love these. Then we have the AMG badge, finished in chrome, Mercedes-Benz star as well, GLE63s badge. We have the additional rear spoiler finished in exterior paint, looking very nice. Then we have the rear diffuser. As you see, not a big fan. Again, plastic part. SUV characteristics, yes, but please, AMG, just finish this in piano black or carbon fiber. That will be way better alternative than finishing this part in plastic. Honestly, we have the exhaust tips. These are the new ones, finished in black, since we have the night package. If we had no night package, these would be chrome. As you see, we have the AMG emblem as well inside the exhaust tips, looking very nice. Very sporty look here on the right hand side as well. How do you guys like the rear of this GLE63s? Would you rather take this or the predecessor GLE63s? What would you say when talking about the coupe? Now, before we step in, let me show you the key of this beautiful GLE63s. And here we have it, the brand new Mercedes AMG key fob. Latest design, finished in full black. You get this with literally every AMG, 35, 45, 53, 63, and so on. Lock, unlock, and open the trunk. So unlocking the car right now, and it's time to step inside for a quick interior view. So now let's focus on the interior of the GLE63s AMG. But before we step in, let me show you the door panels of this beautiful car. Full finished in black. It's very boring spec. Yes, I agree with you, but looks very decent in addition with the carbon fiber trim, which is optional. Then we have the Burmester sound system, which looks super nice with the speaker covers finished in chrome. Love this, honestly. Also in the bottom here, all the parts are finished in chrome, looking really nice, giving this car a more luxurious touch. You have the AMG entrance board, the step board as well. This is also optional. I'm not a big fan of it, but yeah, it's okay. Continuing here with the interior, as you see, full black interior. But before I tell you more, let me just step in and show you the full interior now. GLE63 animation, it's similar to the 53, I guess. It's basically the same. But now we are inside the GLE63s, and I'm going to do a quick interior view because you see it's a very boring spec, full blacked out. The steering wheel is nice, but yeah, let's just start with the steering wheel. But before we start with the interior, let me just start the ignition on that. There we go. No music. Lowering the volume now. Let's set the navigation. And here we have the brand new Mercedes AMG steering wheel. Yes, there's also the latest one which came with the new E-Class, but this is my favorite. Honestly, guys, I miss this so much. The flat bottom one finished in carbon fiber on top and bottom, the sides in Dynamica. Love this. Then we have the black 12 o'clock leather trim. We have the airbag cover finished in leather. This is so essential. I love this. I wish all the AMGs had the airbag cover finished in leather because it looks so much better than the plastic. Then we have the steering wheel buttons to change the driving modes from sand, trail, slippery, individual, comfort, sport, sport plus, and race. Since we have the S model here on the left hand side as well, you can individually control the exhaust, the ESP, suspension, and else. You have literally everything on your steering wheel, which I really love. We have the latest MBUX system, which you can instantly see with this latest touchpad. This display is also touch as well. Very responsive and fast. Love this. And then we have the beautiful ambient light in the interior of the GLE63s, which is so lovely, especially on the Burmester sound system speakers, like surrounding the speaker cover with the ambient light looks so nice. We didn't have that with the SUV, if a few of you can remember. And something very essential I also really love is the panorama roof. We also didn't have it with the GLE63s SUV back then. It gives you more daylight in the interior. It feels very nice and very cool. And in the summer you can just open up the panorama roof, so you have a convertible kind of feeling. Very, very cool. Now let me also show you the center console and dash. Here finished in carbon fiber, looking very nice. This is optional, the best you can get. It looked very sporty, especially in combination with the steering wheel finished in carbon fiber. Not a big fan of this. This is piano. Please, Mercedes, we need an alternative. No piano. I don't like it. As you see, you can see all the dust particles. I need a microfiber cloth, guys, please. Where's my microfiber cloth? Never mind, let's focus on the most essential thing in the interior, and it's obviously the seat. It's very boring look, full black finish, perforated leather. We have the dynamic and normal leather with the black stitching. Then we have the AMG badge on the seat as well. And on the rear passenger seat row, you see we have also black seats. You have a lot of space. If you want to know more, just go and check out my GLE Coupe review, because they have extended the headroom for the rear passengers, which was a big problem back in the days with the coupe. So that's it basically for the interior. Now it's time to do a resume and finish off the video. Let's go. So again, the question of the question, would you rather go for the SUV or the coupe? GLE63s, SUV or coupe? Just comment it down below. Really curious how you think. Let's see. If you ask me, I would rather go for the coupe, because I'm a huge coupe fanboy. I'm really not a big fan of the SUV because it looks like a father's car. The coupe is so much sportier and younger in its design. What do you guys say? Just comment down below, coupe or SUV. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching the latest model GLE63s Coupe. All in all, huge thanks to Mercedes, AMG and the guys, the press team, for making this possible to have this car for shooting here. Unfortunately, no sound check for you guys, since this is a pre-production car. The sound is not as good as the normal cars. We'll be demonstrating you the sound later on, maybe later this year. Just stay tuned for that. If you want to see more content, check out my Instagram and TikTok. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel. There will be videos every week and even more coming for you, so stay tuned. Just subscribe and support. Huge thanks for you guys watching. Wish you all a great day and looking forward to hear and see you all again. I will be back.